Your body is constantly sending signals, subtle clues from your skin, hair, and nails, each one offering important insights into your overall health and well-being. These signs are often easy to overlook, but they can reveal so much about what's happening inside your body. Paying attention to these details can help you understand what your body truly needs for optimal care, from hydration to nutrition and beyond. Today we'll decode these messages together, exploring how to recognize and interpret the signs your body gives you every day. By learning to listen and respond, you can transform your self-care routine and unlock a healthier, more radiant you. Persistent, dry, flaky skin isn't just about missing moisturizer. It's often a sign of nutrient deficiencies or harsh products disrupting your skin's balance. Listen to your skin's plea, nourish from within, and choose gentle, supportive care. Sudden breakouts or irritation are more than just surface issues. They often signal a compromised skin barrier or internal stress that your body is trying to communicate. These changes can appear quickly, sometimes overnight, and may feel uncomfortable or even painful. Hormonal shifts, lack of sleep, or using harsh products can all trigger these visible alarms. Even small changes in your routine, like a new detergent or increased screen time, might set off a reaction, making your skin more sensitive and prone to flare-ups. Your skin is constantly reflecting both your environment and your emotional state, so it's important to pay attention to both. By noticing these signs early, you can take steps to soothe irritation and restore balance, helping your skin recover and stay healthy. Chronic redness and sensitivity are your skin's SOS, often caused by pollution, hard water, or overuse of harsh products. Simplify your routine and protect your skin's natural defenses. Noticeable hair loss or thinning is a sign. Look at your nutrition, stress levels, and scalp health. Sometimes less styling and more nourishment is the answer. Dull, lifeless hair is usually a cry for moisture or a reset from product buildup. Hydrate, clarify, and protect your hair from heat to restore its natural shine. An itchy, flaky scalp can signal product irritation, microbiome imbalance, or stress. Address the root cause. Choose gentle products and manage stress for scalp health. Brittle, peeling nails often point to dehydration or nutritional gaps, especially in biotin and iron. Strengthen nails from the inside out with proper hydration and a balanced diet. Nail discoloration or ridges can indicate infections, past stress, or underlying health issues. Your nails are a health log. Don't ignore unusual changes. Slow nail growth and weakness signal a need for better nutrition and gentler care. Protect nails from harsh chemicals and trauma to help them grow strong. Persistent bad breath despite good hygiene can signal dehydration, gut issues, or gum disease. Treat your mouth as a window to your overall health. Bleeding gums and sensitivity are early warnings of gum disease or harsh brushing. Use a soft brush and clean thoroughly to support gum health. A persistently dry mouth may be caused by dehydration, medications, or underlying health conditions. Don't ignore it. Investigate the cause and stay hydrated. Ongoing fatigue is your body's way of asking for better sleep, nutrition, and stress management. Fuel your body with whole foods and prioritize rest. Unexplained muscle stiffness can signal poor circulation, mineral deficiencies, or inflammation. Move, stretch, and ensure you're getting enough magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Trouble sleeping is a sign your body's natural rhythms are disrupted, often by screens, stress, or late meals. Restore balance with a calming routine and respect your body's need for rest. Every signal, dry skin, fatigue, breakouts, these are not just random inconveniences, but important messages your body is sending you. Each symptom is your body's way of asking for attention, care, and understanding. When you notice these signs, it's an invitation to pause and reflect. By truly listening, you become an active partner in your own well-being, learning to respond with compassion and intention. Adjust your self-care toolkit to meet your body's real needs, whether that means changing routines, products, or simply giving yourself more rest. Listen closely. Your body has more to tell you, and every day is a new opportunity to understand it better. Hit the notification bell for more skincare tips and beauty routines. Stay glowing, and see you in the next video.